how I used to do my face mask. So whenever I want to use something for my skin, I love showing you. Hello beautiful people, hello gorgeous people, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you the remedy that I used to use for my face. This remedy will help you to close the pores, to tighten the pores, to get rid of the fine lines, pimples, wrinkles, and the remedy is very cheap. So I would like to bring you to my kitchen where I'm going to be showing you step by step how to download this product. So guys, the first ingredient we are going to be using lime. Lime has a natural bleaching agent due to its skin lightening property. It can be used to lighten dark skin. Okay guys, if you have a big pores, you have a wide pores, the lime also will help you to tighten up all your pores. It will close the pores by the time you'll be using this, because of the anti-inflammatory. It's for healing and it contains vitamin C, and it has the antiviral also, so it's a great source for skin. Also you can use the liquid, so they work the same. Okay guys, the second ingredient we're going to be using vitamin E. Vitamin E helps support the immune system cell function. It may be beneficial at reducing UV damage to the skin. Vitamin E is very good for skin, for sunburn. It has a healing property. So you can be applying vitamin E direct to your skin if you have a sunburn, because of the fish oil that is inside. So it's very good for our skin, for our neck. If you have a wrinkle, you can be apply this direct to the wrinkle. It's going to prevent and remove the wrinkles. Consistency is the key. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we're going to be applying this vitamin E. So guys, the third ingredient we're going to be using turmeric. So I need to remove it from the pack. So guys, as you can see, my turmeric is almost gone. I used to apply my turmeric to my skin, to my face twice in a week. And turmeric contains antioxidants and is very good to our skin. It contains a lot of anti-healing property. It reduces scars and heal wounds. The anti-inflammatory property of turmeric work on your pores and calm the skin. Turmeric is also known to reduce scarring and heal any kind of wound faster due to antiseptic quality that is inside of the turmeric. So I'm going to be mixing this with all the products. The fourth ingredient we're going to be using, and is the last ingredient we're going to be using manuka honey. Manuka honey can improve your skin appearance. It can balance your skin pH. It can balance your skin pH level and helps lot away dead cell decrease to keep your skin clean. Its anti-inflammatory effect can decrease local inflammation caused by acne. As an antibacterial, manuka honey leaves fewer bacteria. the pin. So you want to mix them together until you get the consistency you want. So the last ingredients I want to apply now, I'm going to apply the Monica one. Excuse me, guys. I'm just used to this spatula. So you need a quarter of teaspoon. Mocha is very strong, so you don't need a lot of that. It's very thick and it contains a lot of antiquity. So if you know until it turns to this paste, just apply it straight to your skin. Let me show you guys how I used to do my face mask. So I never want to wear. So by the time I've finished my housework, I might have gone through so guys, that is it. This is how I apply it. So I'll continue to apply it when I go to the bathroom to my neck because I need to remove my robe. So guys, you can leave it throughout the day, depends the amount of your housework. So when I finish the housework, I'm just going to show you how to use it, and you will feel the texture of your skin. You will feel this looks smooth like a baby. Please guys, let me know what you guys should take. If this helped you, leave the comment below, thumb up, click the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for